Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the pre-recording tool on your Insta360 Go camera. It's pretty easy, just turn on your camera and go to the home page, to the viewfinder, as you can see. And then you have to swipe down from the top of the screen into this menu and select this option that says pre. Once you select it, you can turn it to 10 seconds, 15 or 30 seconds. And this tool is going to start recording before you start recording. The voice, the voice control just started it without me pressing it. So with this, it is going to record some parts that happened before you press the button. So it's pretty useful to save the valuable moments. Cheers.